This person spends his free time flying with flocks of various types of birds. The birds are so focused on flying that they don't even care that he's there. This diver found a lake in Canada with thousands of growing tadpoles. Scientists are not entirely sure what this bird is doing, but they believe the bird is searching for soft spots in the ground where worms could be hiding. This camel is eating a cactus. Camels have adapted to life in the desert and have extremely tough throats that can withstand the needles of a cactus. This is the Blue Hole, located in the Bahamas. It's pretty much just a random hole in the ground that goes straight down 202 meters deep. A few months ago, a photographer captured a river of lava run straight through a forest in Hawaii.
Avalancha de la hostia. ¡Hostia!
The good news is that nobody sustained any major injuries. This company made a translator device for people that love to travel.
Excuse me. I don't know how to buy this ticket. Yeah.
美味しいレストラン教えてください。
Can you tell me where I can find a good restaurant?
茶色のソースやマヨネーズをもらえますか？2番。
Yes.
どうぞ。ありがとう。ありがとうございます。
This person decided to get a tattoo while skydiving at the same time.
got 3 H's. I think that's a success.
Yeah, totally. It was...
These are little tiny baby cuttlefish, and they're completely mesmerized by the camera. When bears go fishing, they hold their breath and open their eyes until a fish comes close enough. This sea urchin decided that it wanted to go for a ride on the back of this crab.